So let's have a look at the design and design creation. Again, the key is to get inspired by something something that works pretty well. Okay, so honestly, I was inspired by Russell Brunson's funnel, leadfunnels.com. So if you look at this design, let me close the pages we don't need at the moment. If you look at this design, my sales page, my design of my sales page was inspired by this sales page. What I mean, I saw this type of headlines, like two different fonts and different sizes of the headline. So if you look at it here, there are two different fonts and different sizes. Like here, different fonts and different sizes. The same font but different sizes, different colors. Okay, different font, different colors, different sizes. So that was one thing. Another thing was like boxes. He has these quotes here. I don't have any quotes here, but I use different type of boxes. Okay, boxes. I didn't copy him. I modeled it. Okay, I modeled his page. That's the key. The colors are different. The fonts are different. The size of the fonts are different. The sizes, everything is different. But I got inspired by this sales page. So again, don't copy it, model it. Get inspired by something that works. Okay, so this is his sales page, and this is my sales page. Then, not then, but I think maybe 3 months ago, I found a really cool rule, or I think this is the really cool rule I follow when it comes to graphic design and funnel design. And this is the rule of two. And I'm going to explain you how this rule of two works. You might think that you don't have to write every sentence really properly on your sales page because people don't read everything, and you're right. But on the other hand, people scan your sales page. Okay, they scroll down, and if there is anything that grabs their attention, they can start read the text. Okay, so, and you don't know which part grabs attention of the person who is currently on your page. So you have to write your sales page really well, and be sure that you have enough things that can grab your attention or their attention. And look at this. What is the rule of two and how you can use it? Okay, the rule of two means that you should have at least two elements visible on your page when the size of your page is reduced to laptop viewport, like this one. I'm going to make it smaller, like this one. It's 100. Look at this. This is the resolution. Okay, and I change this resolution, and I'm looking at the page and trying to find if there are at least. And let me close my camera. Okay, look at the sales page and trying to see if there are at least two visible elements that can grab my attention besides a regular text, besides a regular paragraph, besides regular bullet points. Okay, so if you look at this, okay, that one is one element. It's a headline with a background. Okay, that one is another big headline that can grab my attention. A picture, or the picture of the product, the order form. Okay, those are two elements, or 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. This is the regular order form. So we don't regular paragraph, we don't count it. But when you scroll down and you are going down, as you can see, the picture is going up, the order form is going up, but another headline appears. So now I can still see at least 3 elements. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going down, the picture is going up and is invisible right now, but I can see 1 headline and 2nd headline. Okay, then I'm scrolling down, the headline is going out of my viewport, and I can see another headline, and this headline is going out, but I can see headline and a picture. Okay, and another headline, picture, headline. Okay, like 2 headlines, 1 and 2nd headline. The headline and the quote. Okay, the quote is going out. Okay, this is one exception where you can see too many two elements. Okay, so it's an exception, or what is it? But you can see 1 and picture, the picture and headline. Okay, headline and that box, and so on and so on. And you can scroll down through my page and you will see every single time, besides some exception, maybe 2 or 3, you can see at least 2 elements. Like here, you can see 3 elements: 1 big headline, 2nd big headline, and the picture. Okay, that's the key, because you have to grab people's attention when they are on your side. Okay, this is the rule of 2, and I highly recommend you to follow this, because when I had my sales page without following this rule of 2, my convert rate was really low. But when I changed this, not this particular sales page, but previous sales page, my conversion rate went up. Okay, so the key is to follow this rule of 2. And okay, let's have a look at the other part of this part of the story. I didn't have a graphic designer at the moment, and as you remember, I made a commitment to start earning money before February 29th. And so I wanted to make at least $1,500 in profit by the end of February, because the second payment or monthly payment for my coaching program was coming. Okay, I didn't. You will see when we go through particular days. I didn't do that. I didn't accomplish that, but I was very close to it. Okay, I designed this sales page by myself because of 2 reasons. First one, I didn't have enough time to find somebody to do that, and the second reason, because I wanted to go all in with my product and do my best. Okay, a little experience in graphic design. If you are experienced in graphic design, I highly recommend you to hire somebody. And the biggest aha moment for me, it was that it took me around 25 hours to do that. 3 full days of working. It was too much. So takeaway from me: find a graphic designer. Every single time, try to find a graphic designer, because if I could spend these 25 hours working on my ads, the result would be better, much better. And for the takeaway number 1, find a graphic designer, and takeaway number 2, follow the rule of 2 when it comes to graphic design. Okay? So in the next video, we are going to start with the first ad day So we are going to look at numbers and ads and everything. Everything is prepared at the moment of the story. The sales page is prepared and ready to launch.